Good afternoon. My name is Suzanne Harris, and I'm here to present my project from the EDIT 8150E class on ADA Compliance Americans with Disabilities Act. Here's a definition for ADA compliance. It refers to the adherence to the Americans with Disabilities Act, otherwise known as ADA, which ensures equal access and opportunities for individuals with disabilities across various sectors, including employment and public accommodation. It includes standards for accessible design, ensuring that websites and electronic information are usable by all individuals regardless of their abilities. ADA compliance for technology encompasses a wide variety of disabilities to ensure accessibility for all users. Here are some key types of disabilities and examples of how technology can be made accessible. Visual impairments, including blindness, where they need to use of screen readers or braille displays, low vision, where large print or high contrast themes and screen magnifiers, hearing impairments, including those who are deaf, which may require closed captioning for videos, sign language interpreters, and visual alerts, individuals who are hard of hearing, assistive listening devices, and real-time text or RTT services, those with speech impairments who are nonverbal and require a text-to-speech software and communication boards, those with mobility impairments such as loss of limbs, they may need voice recognition software and adaptive keyboards, those with limited dexterity, alternate input devices like trackballs and head pointers, those with cognitive disabilities such that need simplified text, audio instructions, and visual aids, those with memory issues who may need reminders or organizational tools, and others who have neurological disabilities, seizure disorders, which means that they need to avoid flashing or strobing content. The first of the three application of the universal design for instructional messages includes being able to accommodate for hearing impairments. The ADA provides several provisions to ensure effective communication and access to technology for individuals who are hearing impaired, and here are some key provisions. So, individuals may use auxiliary aids and services such as interpreters, assistive listening devices, captioning services, and text telephones. It may include video remote interpreting or VRI, using video conferencing technology to provide real-time sign language or oral interpreting services. It may include relay services such as telephone companies are required to provide relay services such as VRS and telephone or text telephone TTY to ensure effective communication, and hearing loops, FM systems, infrared systems. These systems are required in assembly areas, courtrooms, and other places where effective communication is needed. Example number 2 targets visually impaired individuals. Technology enhancements for visually impaired include text-to-speech readers and braille displays, large print, high contrast themes, and screen magnifiers. In this example, I've included a screen capture of closed captioning on videos or websites, and then also alternative text, which I'm including is example number 3. Example number 3 is alternative text. Alternative text provides a textual alternative for images and non-text elements on a web page. It helps visually impaired users who rely on screen readers to understand the content and the purpose of the images. It conveys the meaning and context of the image. It improves SEO or search engine optimization for search engines. And I've taken a couple of screen captures. So there's an example of a video of an eagle to the right. And so by accessing or right-clicking on alternative text, a alternative text box opens, and you can type in video of bald eagle on a branch looking around, and then click save, and then your image now has alternative text. Another important part of ADA compliance that I wanted to mention, especially since I teach web and digital design, is Section 508. Section 508 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 is a federal law that requires all federal agencies to make their information and communication technology accessible to individuals with disabilities. This includes technology, computers and software, any type of online training or e-learning courses, and websites. It must be accessible to all federal employees, for public, those with disabilities, and the goal is to ensure that everyone has comparable access to information and data regardless of their disability. They say a picture is worth a thousand words. It's cliche, but true. Images make viewers feel things that words cannot and give presenters a way to connect with their audience on a more visceral level. But what if you cannot see the screen or the image?